Hi, I'm Nicola from Single Variety Co. We make seriously delicious fruit preserves and chili jams. Here are my top tips for growing a team. Number 1, don't be scared to let go. It took me a few years to hand over the jam making to a team, but I should have done it so much sooner, giving me time to focus on growing the business. Number 2, employ people to fill the skills that you don't have or do the jobs you just don't enjoy. When we opened our factory, it was really important that our factory manager was everything I'm not. Detailed, he loves processes and experienced in management. This means I can focus on the parts of the business I enjoy doing, knowing that all the day-to-day management is looked after. Tip number 3, make sure you've got people trained up to cover holidays or sickness, because they're always going to happen and otherwise it's going to fall back to you. And my last tip is to work with expert freelancers if you need more support. Now, they might seem more expensive per hour on paper, but their expertise normally means they'll get the job done quicker and better. We found freelancers particularly useful in customer service, HR and marketing roles, and they're very much an important part of our team.